Hey, welcome to Bendiventures. We're in Vegas this time, in probably the biggest room we've ever stayed in. This one is more square footage than our own house. So as soon as you walk in, we've got the bathroom right there. And then this way, there's actually a pretty decent sized kitchen in here. We've got the stovetop, sink, sort of a hidden refrigerator. I mean, this is huge. You could really live here. 2 freezer drawers, microwave, and I think this is like a bottle chiller for your drinks. Over here, oh, and then there's a range top hood, disposal. I don't know what that is. Over here, there's actually a dishwasher in here. Plugs galore on the seating there. Over this way, we've got a view of the mountains in the background, and then if you look over that way, pan over there, you can see a part of the Strip, the famous Las Vegas Strip. Okay, I guess thermostat. Right here, we got a giant, I don't know, living room / office area, business center. Got a fireplace. Got the TV. More views. Looks like this was a balcony, but unfortunately, got it locked, so we can't go out there. Off these doors or keep them open, and we're walking into the bedroom / tub area. There's a tub in our bedroom, but I think that's pretty cool. Again, you could soak in the tub, which looks like it's a jacuzzi tub. I see they just got the holes in there and everything while you're basking in the sun and the view of Vegas. We've got another TV in front of the bed, more plugs, some cool purple lights. I think this is the closet here. Some coat hangers and a luggage rack. A little stool for who knows what. And then we're coming around into the giant bathroom with a walk-in dual shower. There's showers on both sides, I just noticed that, and the rain head. That's pretty cool. Double sink and the vanity. What's this? Just a drawer with some stuff in there. Okay, another TV. Some kind of, what is that, like a magnifier? Okay, and then the toilet. It looks like, oh, does this close too? Okay, so you can have a little privacy behind it. And I think that brings us all the way back around to the hallway where we started. And again, thanks for joining us on Bendiventures. We'll see you next time. Bye 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 bye.